Hello everyone. I am Daryl Libron, a BSAB student here at the University of Eastern Philippines. Today, we will discuss the importance of understanding the self for our future careers. For me, as a future business owner, understanding myself is crucial for success. It encompasses self-awareness, personal growth, mental and emotional well-being. Being self-aware is important for my future career as a future business owner so that I would know what are my strengths and weaknesses. It is also important for me to understand myself, my future customers, and my future employees. Self-awareness is also crucial for decision making and problem solving. Personal growth is important for me as a future business owner. It will help me become a good leader and a good decision maker, and it can help my future business grow bigger. Mental and emotional well-being are crucial for me as a future business owner, impacting personal productivity, creativity, and resilience. Good mental health fosters effective leadership, stronger relationship, adaptability, and strategic decision making. While reducing absenteeism, employees turnover and stress, prioritizing well-being ensures self-sustained growth, reputation, and legacy, driving business success and overall quality of life by investing in self-care, seeking support, and maintain work balance. I I can optimize performance, cultivate positive work environments, and achieve longevity.